Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? Then tomorrow comes and you say the same thing again. Most people wait for motivation before taking action. But motivation is unreliable. Some days it's there, some days it's not. If you depend on motivation, you'll only work when you feel like it. Think about sleep. If you go to bed at the same time every night, something interesting happens. At first, you force yourself to sleep, but after a few weeks, your body starts getting sleepy automatically. You don't need motivation to sleep. Your brain has learned the pattern. Your brain loves routines. It is constantly looking for patterns. When the same action happens at the same time every day, your brain starts expecting it. Eventually, it reminds you before you even think about it. The same thing happens when you wake up. In the beginning, waking up early feels painful. You hit snooze. You feel tired, but after enough repetition, your body clock adjusts. One day you wake up before the alarm even rings. Have you ever noticed getting hungry at almost the exact same time every day? That's not a coincidence. Your brain remembers when you usually eat. It prepares your body before lunch even arrives. Your brain is always trying to save energy. When it recognizes a routine, it turns that routine into a habit. That's why you suddenly feel hungry before lunch. Your brain already knows what's coming next. Maybe you shower every morning. You probably don't spend time deciding whether to do it or not. You just do it. Why? Because repetition turned it into an automatic behavior. The amazing thing about routines is that they remove decision making. You stop arguing with yourself, you stop negotiating, the action simply becomes part of your day. Now imagine applying this idea to something important, learning a skill, exercising, reading, building a business. Instead of doing it whenever you feel motivated, choose a fixed time. Day 1 might feel difficult, day 2 might feel difficult, even day 10 might feel difficult, but every repetition sends a message to your brain, this is what we do at this time. Eventually something powerful happens. The clock reaches your chosen time, and your brain starts expecting the activity. You no longer need a motivational video. You no longer need the perfect mood. The habit begins pulling you into action. One person studies only when they feel inspired. Another studies every day at the same time. The first person depends on emotions, the second person depends on a system, and systems almost always beat emotions. 6 months later, the difference becomes obvious. Small daily actions create massive results, not because the second person worked harder every day, but because they showed up consistently. Your brain is already following routines. The question is, are those routines helping you or hurting you? Pick one important activity. Choose a specific time. Show up every day. Let consistency do the work. Don't build motivation. Build routines. Remember, motivation comes and goes, but routines stay. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple ideas that can change your life.